pleased to be sponsoring Ranini to go to fight in Cambodia. I've always been, for a long time, since I was very young, been interested in martial arts, boxing, and then Muay Thai. I've been to Thailand and trained in Muay Thai camps in Koh Samui on a number of occasions, and I think it's great that she has the opportunity to go and fight in Cambodia. And I and my company, Fundsmith, are very pleased to be sponsoring her. And anyway, when she's in Cambodia, she can't come here and torture me and train me, which is great, so I get some time off from all of that. I've lived in Mauritius now for 5 years, moved here 5 years ago. It's a great place, and my business, Fundsmith, is based here. We manage money for people. We're money managers, asset managers, and we manage over $30 billion of people's assets around the world. So we've taken a very small part of what we get from that, and we've used it to sponsor Ranini, and we wish her every success in Cambodia.
Hi, I'm Ranini from Mauritius. I'm so happy to come to Cambodia to fight in the Cundasawmy World Tournament in December. I love Cambodia. It's a beautiful country. See you there. A very big thanks to my sponsor, Mr. Terry Smith from the company Fundsmith.